they keep this hidden from you, but I'm about to reveal it. In this video, you'll uncover the 7 best-kept secrets of women, and most importantly, how to use this knowledge to your advantage. By understanding these secrets, you can become a confident and desirable man. These insights aren't obvious, but once you learn and apply them, you'll stand out from other men. Pay close attention because the second secret is the most impactful. Stick with me until the end to see how everything ties together, completely transforming the way others perceive you. Each of these secrets carries subtle nuances that can shift your perspective and revolutionize your interactions. Now is the time to dive into these powerful insights and redefine your connections and relationships. First secret, they love being admired but won't show it. Women enjoy being admired, but they often hide this desire behind a facade of indifference. While it may seem contradictory, it's absolutely true. They appreciate being noticed, but not in a cliché or superficial way. A generic compliment like "you're beautiful" doesn't leave a lasting impression. The key to standing out lies in noticing and appreciating unique details that others often overlook. So how can you differentiate yourself? The secret is in paying attention to the little things, like the way she smiles, her gestures, or how she expresses herself during conversations. When you notice these things, you show that you're truly paying attention, creating a deeper connection and making her feel special. Women never forget those who make them feel unique. Small gestures such as remembering something she mentioned in a previous conversation have a far greater impact than expensive gifts or general compliments. It's about making her feel truly seen and valued. Authenticity is crucial here. It's not just about observing. It's about expressing your admiration sincerely, without expecting anything in return. A man who recognizes beauty in her personality or subtle gestures leaves a lasting impression she'll never forget. Be genuine and respectful, and you'll see how it transforms your interactions. Second secret, they test you without you realizing it. You may have felt at some point that a woman was testing you. Perhaps she delayed replying to your messages, ignored something you said, or asked uncomfortable questions. These subtle moments are often ways for her to gauge your confidence, emotional stability, and authenticity. Whether deliberate or subconscious, these tests are a natural part of interactions. Don't fall into the trap of over-explaining yourself or appearing desperate. If she ignores your message, stay calm and respond with patience and composure. This demonstrates maturity and confidence, traits that women value deeply. It's not just about your reaction, but about maintaining your composure in any situation. A man who stays true to his values and confident in his journey is always admired. These tests aren't roadblocks. They're opportunities to showcase your inner strength, emotional intelligence, and self-assurance. Third secret, emotions are more powerful than looks. You don't need to look like a model to be attractive. Women are far more influenced by the emotions you can evoke in them than by your physical appearance. Focus on creating memorable moments where emotions take center stage, whether through a conversation filled with laughter, an unexpected gesture, or a heartfelt look. Mystery also plays a critical role here. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. This keeps her intrigued and engaged, making her eager to learn more about you. Meaningful stories or experiences that highlight your vulnerability in an authentic way can build a deep connection that goes beyond surface-level attraction. Women remember how you made them feel in specific moments, so focus on creating experiences that linger in her memory. Thoughtful gestures like sending a heartfelt message or planning something unique can evoke powerful emotions. Emotional depth creates bonds that are far stronger and more lasting than physical appearance ever could. Fourth secret, they admire men who make decisions in seemingly simple situations like choosing where to eat. Many men say, "I don't know, you decide." While this may seem harmless, it's actually a missed opportunity to demonstrate leadership. Women are drawn to men who take the initiative and confidently make decisions. Next time, suggest something like, "How about that new restaurant? I think you'll enjoy it." This shows that you're in control without being overbearing. It's an attitude that extends to planning dates or proposing activities. When you show that you're capable of making decisions, she feels secure by your side. Remember, making decisions doesn't mean disregarding her opinion. It's about being proactive and valuing the shared experience. Men who take responsibility for their choices and have clarity about their goals leave a lasting impression. Fifth secret, Mystery is attractive. Revealing everything about yourself right away can lessen her interest. Instead, present an intriguing side and save some stories for later. This naturally sparks her desire to learn more about you. Striking the right balance between what you share and what you hold back keeps her curiosity alive. For instance, instead of sharing your entire career journey in one conversation, mention just one intriguing aspect and save the rest for later. Mystery isn't about hiding who you are, it's about revealing yourself gradually, creating a sense of discovery for her. This approach keeps her interest alive and establishes mutual respect and trust. Sixth secret, competition inspires her. When other women show interest in you, it can elevate how she perceives your value. This isn't about being a player, it's about demonstrating confidence and leading an interesting social life. Engage naturally, exude security, and live a fulfilling life filled with purpose, hobbies, and genuine connections. Seventh secret, they love when you take the lead. Although women value independence, they also appreciate men who can take the lead respectfully. Being decisive in your actions while respecting her space creates trust and attraction. Whether it's planning a date or solving a problem, leading with confidence and empathy leaves a strong impression. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Share your experiences in the comments or type, "I am a high-value man." Let's exchange ideas and grow together. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment, and share if you want to keep these videos coming.